Purchase a refurbished PC with confidence by Nerdcore Computers. We are proud to be one of the world's largest refurbishers of desktop and laptop computers, as well as electronic accessories. Since 2001, we have been providing affordable IT solutions to clients around Australia for the retail, distribution, government, health, education, and consumer sectors. In many large quantities, our customers come to us for great quality machines. In addition to our Microsoft authorized refurbished commitment, we also adhere to several additional standards to create a product that goes beyond what is expected from a refurbished device. For example, every electronic equipment device will be put through extensive rigorous refurbishment. So if you're looking to buy a newly refurbished machine and want to only pay at half price, ring our service desk on 1300 Nerdcore today. Extensive diagnostic process to identify any issues that are present much earlier before we sell them. Removal of all prior data from hard drives BIOS settings. We make sure we thoroughly clean all inside components and do hardware upgrades as necessary to make them usable. Installation of a genuine, brand new version of Microsoft Windows operating system which are activated. So if you're looking to buy a newly refurbished machine and want to only pay at half price, ring our service desk on 1300 Nerdcore today. Meticulous testing and inspection before shipment. We ship around the world. Every certified refurbished device comes with a Microsoft certificate of authenticity, an AC adapter power supply with all computers, and a wired keyboard and mouse for all desktops. No tablets have cracked screens and the touch feature is completely working in every direction. Backed by a 3-month guaranteed warranty, and our dedicated customer service team are there to always help. 1-year extended warranties are available on every device we offer, for added peace of mind. Rest assured it's the best way. So who benefits from refurbished computers, laptop, tablets, servers? Consumers or customers span from all over Australia. So if you're looking to buy a newly refurbished machine and want to only pay at half price, ring our service desk on 1300 Nerdcore today. Our quality devices optimize the user's working capability. For businesses and the home user, buy from us directly on our website or our eBay store for easy delivery, hassle-free, no-fuss service. The machines always arrive as explained in our advertisements. We also accommodate for businesses who can accomplish more within existing IT budgets to buy these refurbished quality machines. Resellers, other businesses like ours that are in the country or rural and need bulk lots of tested equipment at a fraction of the market price. We offer the best prices because simply we bulk in large volume. Expand your range of affordable quality devices to meet customer demand. Education, government. Cost-effective devices that do not sacrifice on quality or security. Our customer service is the highest quality assurance when it comes to selecting the right machines. Our dedicated customer service team is available to help you work through any issues and answer any questions you may have about your device. So if you're looking to buy a newly refurbished machine and want to only pay at half price, ring our service desk on 1300 Nerdcore today.